So today we're going to do some cold starts. It's not going to be on my blaster though because I just rode it like half hour ago. So it's still warm. So I won't cold start this just yet. It's got a full DG silencer and pipe. It is for sale. I rebuilt it over the, well, it was rebuilt over the summer. There's my, where I got my pistons. This here is just in there with one screw for now. So loose. But we're going to be cold starting these chainsaws. So let's get to it. First up is the Husqvarna 455 Rancher. Has been started in about, I'd say 6 weeks. I'm going to prime it 4 times and I'm going to see what it does. Give it a couple prime pulls. Now for the solo, give me a second, I'll grab it. This one, however, was rebuilt too. It's a Solo 675. It was rebuilt about the same time I rebuilt the blaster. But this one was just running 15 minutes ago because I had to cut a log out of my yard because it fell. But I will start it though. It's not really a cold start, but the engine got cold from sitting. So actually it is a cold start, if you want to call it that. But there's both saws. I just pre-mixed the gas. It's right there. Yeah, this one was the Husqvarna 455 Rancher, and this one was the Solo 675. That's my blaster. Like I said, it's for sale. Let me know. I'd like to trade for like an ATC quad runner or pit bike. It's got that full DG pipe and it says Yamaha, so you know it's a blaster. It's got compression. Yeah, it's got compression. Shit. I don't know if you can see down in there, but the oil that's down in there is clean. Clean oil. What else can I show you about it? It was rebuilt, I told you that. I showed you where I got the pistons. Oh shit, I'm out of gas. But anyway, gas tank's clean. So yeah, let me know. It's a sale, $650, or for an ATC, pit bike, or quad runner. Those are the only things I'm really looking for right now. I took this tranny out of my friend's, what the fuck was it? I think GMC Jimmy. Maybe, wait, was it after, I don't know, it might have been out of a GMC Jimmy, I'm not quite sure. It was a little bit ago I did it, but tranny out of it. It's all my junk. Let's go to the scrapyard when I get down there. But yeah, if you'd like to look at the blaster, maybe buy it or offer a pit bike, quad runner, or something like that, I'll do it. So please rate and subscribe, and more videos to come. Thanks. Bye.